Okay, so this is Aeolus 1 at 102 psi in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is Aeolus 1 at 102 psi in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, there wasn't a shoot on there, was there? Where was the countdown? There was.
I did give you a countdown. 1 at 102 psi in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, C65.
I don't like that spin.
No, it's fine.
Don't touch it, let it land.
Sweet.
Awesome. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Oh no, it's not working! Dang it! Try to catch it.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Helios 2 at 95 psi in 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got a little wet. I don't know what it's doing. Dude, it was too heavy.
No, why are the rockets doing that?
I know, they're all curved.
Okay, Kyle, get ready.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
Hold faithful 2 at
55.
55 psi. 3, 2, 1. Yep. I
Oh
told
my
you about
gosh.
reaching out. Wow.
Why are we?
Okay. MIRV in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One's that way, one's that way. I didn't see the other one.
2 are that way. Matthew, you'll go get that one.
Where they at?
They're way over that way. Oh. Oh, jeez. Aeolus 1 at 80 psi within 3, 2, 1.
Pull hard.
That was better.
Please work, please work. It worked.
Yay. Woo! Aeolus 1 at 80 psi in 3, 2, 1.
Pull hard.
Aeolus 1 at 100 psi in 3, 2, 1.
Only 10 psi left.
Cool. Oh, sweet. There's the back glide recovery. Okay. Big Bertha on a C65 in 3, 2, 1. Dang it.
I see it.
Yeah, I see it too. Yeah, it's coming toward us. On the ground. rest. Okay, the camera started.
Alright.
You got sound too?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good video quality for 480.
Cool, all set to go.
Okay, Big Bertha at 265 in 3, 2, 1.